Today we're with Operation Stream Shield with New Hope Shelter, and they're out here doing what we call Tape-a-Palooza, where we take all the tape and ribbons and things off of our picnic pavilions and get them ready for summer.
Have birthday parties and they'll tape up balloons or tape up decorations around. They're not supposed to, but they do. And they leave all that debris and tape and everything behind, and they don't clean up. So we come through, kind of take all the tape down, clean up all the pavilions, make them presentable for the spring season and the upcoming summer season, so that it all looks nice.
Just any project that I have the supplies to work on. I know they're willing partners. We really enjoy working together and getting to know some of the same faces every week.
I started off as a volunteer at Franconia Rec Center back in 2018. So I've seen the park transform from having litter and trash all over the place to being clean and really pretty. I'm really proud of the work that they've done.
It's been a blessing to the Park Authority to have that relationship. And we're celebrating our 2-year anniversary this month.